Solving problems with three variables by using a system of three equations. So, at a concession stand, a bottle of Gatorade costs $2, a pretzel costs $1.50, candy costs $1. Workers sold 4 times as many pretzels as candy. The number of Gatorade sold exceed the number of pretzels sold by 310. And sales for these items totals $15.20. How much of each item is sold? So there's a couple things we know. We know that we have Gatorade, we have pretzels, and we have candy. So there's our three variables that we need to figure out how much of each item is sold. So if we want to know how much money we pulled in per item, we know it costs $2 for a Gatorade. So $2 times the amount of Gatorades we sell would be how much we pull in total for Gatorades. Plus $1.50 for pretzels. So if we add the two together, we know how much we made with Gatorades, how much we made with pretzels. Plus $1 for candy. And it tells us they pulled in a total of $15.20. So there's the first piece of info. Workers sold 4 times as many pretzels as candy items. So pretzels were equal to 4 times the amount of candy sold. The number of Gatorades sold exceeds the number of pretzels sold by 310. The number of Gatorades sold exceeds the amount of pretzels sold by 310. So we have these three equations. So we have our three equations and three unknowns. But notice something. Both of these equations are solved. They all have this p in them. So we can eliminate and get this equation up here all in terms of p. So we can get 2 times, well, instead of g, we're going to put p plus 310 plus 1.5p plus 1 times, well, this needs to be solved for c. So c equals p divided by 4, or in other words, 0.25, if we put it as a decimal. Distributing through, we get 2p plus 620 plus 1.5p equals 0.25p. Oh, excuse me, plus 0.25p equals 1520. Combining like terms, we get 3.75p plus 620 equals 1520. Subtract 620 to both sides. 3.75p is equal to 900. Divide both sides by 3.75, and p equals 240. Well, if p equals 240, c is equal to 240 divided by 4, or 60. And g is equal to 240 plus 310, or 550. So in other words, we sold 550 Gatorades, 60 candy items, and 240 pretzels at this game.